welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Hannah, and if you're new here, love that. Love that for me, love that for you. I'm so glad that you decided to click on my video. Today I'm doing a summer Q&A. It's currently May, so it's starting to feel like summer. Summer is, you know, it's like, it's creeping out of the closet. You know, it's like right around the corner. Oh, I'm going delusional because like I need summer. I truly need summer. I need to be outside. I need to just like be laying on a beach somewhere, just like having a tan and having the time of my life, if you know what I mean. So I thought it'd be fun if today I did a get ready with me while I answer some summer Q&A questions. No one asked these questions. I got these off the internet, or they come from up here. They came all the way from up here. Let's get into it. I'm going to wet my makeup sponge and then we can get started. Sometimes I forget I'm recording. Okay, first I'm going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is a darker shade, but it's gonna give me a little bronze look for my summer makeup. First question is, what are you looking forward to this summer? It's kind of a broad question, but it's a good one, you know? I don't know how I'm gonna answer questions and do my makeup at the same time. Like, it's kind of a lot for me. Okay, I'd say what I'm looking forward to the most is seeing lots of family and friends. I am going to be back in Oklahoma for a full month. During that month, I've got things every weekend basically that I'm planning to see friends. I've got weddings, family gatherings. So I'm really looking forward to just enjoying quality time with everyone, making memories, laughing. I'm happiest whenever I'm with my friends and family, so I'm just excited for that. Oh, and also just getting a tan and being home. I love being home. I haven't done my makeup in a long time, so I'm kind of excited to see how good I look with makeup on. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Ulta foundation stick in a dark color. Question number 2 is travel plans. So, like I kind of touched on, I'm actually super excited. I will be going to, drum roll please, I'm going to Scotland. I'm going to Edinburgh and then up to like the Highlands, maybe check out Glasgow. I've never been to like the UK. I've never been abroad that direction. I've only been to Mexico and Canada. So I'm super excited to see that part of the world. It's something I've always dreamed of, and you know, I've seen so many like movies and TV shows based in those places. It's super exciting because it's completely unknown to me. I went heavy with the contour, blend it out. Other travel plans, like I just mentioned, I'm gonna go home for a month. Besides that, I'll be in Maine, maybe be in Boston a little bit. I don't really have any other travel plans. Last summer I was like everywhere all the time. I truly was traveling so much last summer, but I also had a job then, so like a steady income. And right now I'm kind of in a saving money mode, but this is something that I had already planned months ago. So I'm super excited for Scotland. I'm actually going to see Harry Styles in Scotland, which was something that I kind of just like joked about for a second because I was sad I never got to see him in the United States. And then I like kind of mentioned it to my mom, which we had talked about going on a trip like this, and we're like, what if we just go to Scotland and see Harry Styles and then like see Scotland? Crazy. Maybe I manifested that. I don't really believe in manifesting. I am super excited to see Harry Styles though. It's literally my go-to album. It still is, even though it's been out for over a year now. Concealed with a little Halo Camo Concealer. Now I'm going to, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put on a little bit of L'Oreal True Match to even everything out. Okay, question number 3 is beach or lake? This is kind of hard for me. I grew up going to the lake. That being said, I am from Oklahoma, so like it's just easier to go to a lake than it is to go to the beach. I do love the beach. I love like Mexico. Even here in Maine we have beaches, but the water's freezing cold, and I just find the beach to be so relaxing, and it's always really pretty. I love the ocean like from afar. Don't necessarily like to swim in it. I do like fishing and everything in the ocean, but I would have to say the lake is just like a safe place for me. It's like a comfort place because I grew up going to the lake with my friends and family. We had a family lake house. Have so many good memories, so many like core summer memories being at the lake, especially around 4th of July. If I'm not at the lake on 4th of July, depressed. Like, it's so sad. It truly is so much fun just to be at the lake, be barefooted, just be, the lake is everything. Question number 4, dream summer road trip / vacation. It's kind of a hard question. I don't know. Like, I don't know why I'm so shocked. Like, I came up with these questions. I think dream vacation would be backpacking, or not even backpacking, but just like traveling across Europe. I'd love to go to Switzerland. I'd love to go to Austria. I'd love to go to Germany. I'd love to go to France. I'd love to go to Spain, Italy, Greece. I'd love to do that, even if that was a road trip in itself, or like a train, you know, kind of trip. I don't know how it works over there. I don't. I definitely have plans to do that in the future. I just don't know how. If I had to pick like a dream road trip throughout the United States, I really want to do like the Highway 1, like down California's coast, up Oregon and Washington. I've done a road trip across America, moving to Maine, kind of. I think that would be my dream road trip. I really want to see like Yosemite National Park. Also, it'd be cool to see like Zion, like in Utah. So I'd say somewhere on the West Coast. Okay, next we're going in with a little bit of cloud paint for a cream blush. I can't stand my lips being covered in makeup. Question number 5, summer activities you're looking forward to. I'd say activities, there's no good way to get the stuff out of this. It just like spews everywhere all the time. Like Glossier needs to rethink their packaging on this. Summer activities, I would say, you know, laying out at the swimming pool or at the beach. Also, like, I love a good barbecue, like a summer barbecue. Anytime, even if like I'm just outside and I smell barbecue going on, hot dogs and hamburgers, maybe like a little bonfire kind of action. Obsessed. Like I already said, going to the lake. Also, I've been golfing a lot more now that the weather has heated up. That's something that you can't really do in Maine during the winter. Playing tennis, pickleball. I'm so blushy right now. I also love going on walks like in the evenings during summer. Laying out, tanning, reading a book. They're all great summer activities. Now I'm using the OG Butter Bronzer. I love how Sophia Richie talked about using this, and now it's kind of having like a resurgence. Hey, I've been on the Butter Bronzer train since 2017, okay? I'm a BBOG. Wow. Someone put that on a t-shirt. Question number 5, favorite ice cream flavor. My favorite ice cream, like flavor, OG flavor, has always been some sort of like cookie dough or cookies and cream. I also love a good strawberry ice cream. I don't know if this is just a Northeast thing, but there are ice cream stands like everywhere, whereas in the South, it's always snow cone stands. Whenever I'm at my favorite ice cream stand up here, I get like a vanilla ice cream with pineapple and coconut and marshmallows. It's so good. I love a good tropical fruity ice cream, like a coconut. I'm weird like that though, I guess. My favorite Ben & Jerry's ice cream is the Cherry Garcia. It's vanilla cherry and like chocolate chunks in there, like chocolate ice cream swirl chunk. My favorite snow cone flavor, however, is a cherry salty frog, if you know what that is. It's like basically a cherry snow cone, but it has like lemon and lime juice squeezed in it and salt all over it, so it just makes it have that bite to it. It's so good. Number 7, chop the hair off or long hair for the summer. If you're newer to my channel, if you haven't seen my I chopped my hair off video, that's one of my like first videos that got a lot of views. I chopped my hair off to like right here. And this was like in November, so it was before fall started. I loved having short hair. It was awesome. I felt like it grew out really fast. I just like loved that for me at the time. I, however, have grown my hair out to, you know, pretty long again. I got layers for the first time last time I got a haircut, and I love it. So I'm getting another haircut next week, and I am just going in for a trim. I thought about chopping my hair off. Everyone is doing like the Hailey Bieber chopped off like short hair right now, and I would love to try short hair for the summer. I don't think it's my time right now because I haven't had really long hair during the summer for a couple years now, and I'm just really feeling it. Especially I'm trying to grow my hair long and do like long layers. I love a good long like face framing pieces, so I will be getting a trim. I will not be chopping my hair off this summer, at least not that I know of. I am tempted to though. I am tempted, okay? Now I'm going to spray my face with a little makeup mist and set. Definitely my favorite part of makeup because it feels so cool, and it really does make a difference with makeup. Next question is favorite thing about summer, least favorite thing about summer. Favorite thing about summer is the longer days, the sun not setting until 9 or 9:30 whenever it does set. I have no clue. That is like my absolute least favorite thing about winter, is that pitch black dark at 4 p.m. and it's pretty depressing. Like it's pretty depressing. I also love the hot weather, so one of my favorite things about summer is just feeling the heat. Like I just love feeling the heat. If that makes sense to you. My least favorite thing about summer is probably you're like outside and you're just like sweating uncontrollably. That is not very fun. Now is it? Another thing that sucks about summer is tornado season in the South. So I don't love tornadoes. I'm not as deathly scared as them as I used to be. But yeah, that's like peak season for dangerous weather. So I guess that's not very good. Next I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara shade Blackest Black. Literally the best mascara in the world. I mean, Favorite color this summer. I'm loving orange and I'm loving red, which they're similar, I guess you could say, but like I just think like a nice bright orange in the summer, it's so cute, it's so fun, it's so fresh, it looks great. I bought a couple red skirts if you saw my thrift haul, and I just think gonna look great during the summer with a white t-shirt. Also would love like just some denim with some red like Converse. I think it's so classic and it looks so good and it's so like all American for the summer. Last question and last step, I'm using Vaseline for my lips since I put a little bit of that color on my lips already. It is, what is my go-to summer outfit? What I think of when I think of summer is denim shorts, probably some cutoffs, and a white shirt, like a nice loose white crop top shirt, just something classic. That is my summer go-to outfit. But if we're being more realistic, like what I wear day to day during summer, probably a pair of athletic shorts and a tank top, kind of like this. These are from Target. It hides your bra strap so it doesn't like show it off, but I have this tank top in quite literally like 5 colors. They were like $6-8 at Target. I wear them every day, wear them with athletic shorts. That's pretty much my go-to. And then like for shoes, I have Sanuk sandals I bought last summer that I wore so much, and they quickly became my favorite like summer shoe, although I do love to wear my Birkenstock. One or the other. Whew. And okay, here we have it. This is my finished makeup look. That's all the questions I have for this summer Q&A. This was really fun, I thought. I didn't know that I could focus on 2 things at once, but here I am proving that I can do so. I hope you have the best day and an even better summer, to be honest. Like, I'm so excited for summer. I can't talk about it anymore, okay? I know I'm getting annoying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below saying what you're looking forward to this summer. I want to know. Anyways, I hope to see you next time, and that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye.